we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced beer names too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is certainly a name that looks and probably sound Germanic as well. In German, this would be said as Budweiser, Budweiser, but this is an American brand, obviously an iconic American brand. In the US, it is said as Budweiser, 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 or simply Bud, Budweiser. In British English, this is more said as Budweiser, Budweiser. In British English, in American English, Budweiser. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting beer names as promised, whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.